Alright guys, I'm always getting asked, what do we do to clean bird taxidermy and keep it looking fresh? And to say, this is actually my own bird. It just got neglected in the house. I shouldn't have done it, but this is a little educational thing for you guys on how to take care of your birds. This thing, it's been 4 years sitting in the laundry room since I've ever cleaned it, so I'm going to show you what it looks like on the back, because it's pretty bad. Okay, so there's the head. It's a Barrow's golden eye. That's the wing. Yeah, it looks like he's been through a snowstorm. So all we're gonna do here is I'm gonna put you back in the phone stand. So right here is a camel hairbrush. You can use a feather duster, whatever you got that's soft. Biggest thing is soft and flexes when it moves. This is real hair, so all we're gonna do is go with the grain and the direction of the feathers. We'll kind of get in there a little bit. Now this is just dry, just a dry brush. Now look at that. Look how new it is now. We'll go back over this. We don't need to do anything with the eye. It's a glass eye. This is a bird I shot, I don't know, 5 years ago, maybe. Mounted it 4 years ago. And I would suggest getting the longest brush you can get. So I'm going to take you and show you this other side. See how bad this is? Now watch. I would personally do this outside, but it's cold as hell outside. Now look at that. It's getting there. Now let's watch the swing. This is all you gotta do. New on this. Leg might be a little tricky. Some point this week I'll actually put it on a piece of wood. This is just a ghost hanger from Mackenzie. But you can see the difference of what it was before and after. Again, just go with the grain. Now if you get some of that fraying right there, see how that's kind of fraying a little bit? You can take a little bit of a paper towel with some lacquer thinner or Coleman fuel type gas. Just take it on a paper towel and do this. Take the gas away. Just do that. Turn around. Take the hair dryer and blow the feather this way. And then it'll zip back together. Now he's looking a lot better. Now he is angled, so he's not on the mounting stand all that great, but you guys can see what's going on here. Let me change the camera settings here. Maybe not. It's not letting me. So onto the feet. These are injected legs. Now if this is getting stubborn, like you can see in the gaps and cracks, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my other brush. I'm gonna take one of these brushes just because I only have one. I'm just gonna take the same thing. This is just a hair brush. Put on a little bit of Windex, just a touch. And I'm gonna go swish, swish. And we're gonna go back to this leg. You gotta be careful, you're not trying to rehydrate the bird. And we're just gonna get in there. Not touching the feathers, not glopping it on. And then that'll get the dust to ball up inside the brush. It should roll right out. I got most of it. It looks a lot better than it did. You can see a little bit on here, how it's kind of stuck in that little area there. We're just gonna run back through. Sorry if the camera's not focusing. Front side don't matter a whole lot. Back side. Now we'll try and get this, and try and get as much as we can. Dry brushing it. I got a screen protector on my phone that's not letting me tap it to focus. And this fucking phone, I swear. Anyways, there it goes. We're just gonna dry brush it as much as we can. You can see in there, it's got a little bit that's really stubborn that ain't coming out. So again, we'll go back, take our brush, put a little bit of Windex on it. Come on back, let the camera focus. Come on, focus. All right. It's focusing in and out. We're just getting it into the little crevice and stuff where it's stubborn. Just taking a little bit of Windex on our brush, just a tiny bit. We're not trying to rehydrate it. And we're just brushing it out. And then as you can see, it looks a lot better than it did. It's hard to do this while holding a phone, but you guys get the idea. So, as you can see, I still got a lot of brushing to do, but it does look a lot better, and I can still keep going. And that's all you gotta do for your taxidermy. That's all you need right there. Now on this beak, the bill, got some paint scratched on it from getting a little too carried away while moving it. Same thing with the feet. I'll just take a little bit. Sometimes that dust gets a little stubborn in there. I'll just get in there, and you're not getting the bill wet, you're not rehydrating it, you're just getting that stubborn bit of dust out of there. You don't want to touch the feathers with it. You just want to get it out of there. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So now he looks a lot more sharp. Looks like I mounted him a week ago. So that's all you gotta do, guys, to clean your birds.